hello everyone. Till here we have completed S3 theoretical part as well as practical demonstration of creating S3 bucket, versioning, lifecycle management. Now in this video we are going to do cross-region replication. Okay, so first a little theory. What is cross-region replication? A cross-region replication is a bucket level feature that enable automatic asynchronous copy of object across a bucket in different region. Means we have one bucket here, we are putting some objects here, maybe any reason, accidental deletion or corruption of data, we have one more bucket in some another region. So whatever object we are putting here automatically get replicated to some another region in another bucket. So if some data get corrupt here, deleted by mistake, we can access the data from here also for more reliability, for more durability. And very simple, nothing complicated here. Just keeping my data more safe rather than having my data in one region. Right now I have data in multiple regions. Here, condition: you need to enable the versions in both source and destination object. Means it is my source bucket where I am putting some data or object we are putting here. It is my source, and we have another bucket where we want the copy of these objects also automatically replicated here. Is my destination bucket. Whatever we put here automatically get replicated to in this bucket. But keep in mind, if we put some data or some object here, will not get replicated back to source. Okay? So replication, automatically copying the data to destination bucket, and versioning should be enabled. So rather than wasting time, let's come to console, go to storage part. We can directly here recently visited, otherwise go to storage, go to S3. Let's create some bucket here. Bucket, create bucket, same process we have done previously also. Right now I am going to my Mumbai region. I will create one bucket here. Bucket. Hope you all remember the naming rules. Let's do one mistake here. I will keep capital letter. So you think you are able to create bucket? Let's check. No problem. Do the error, do the mistakes and learn. I might be able to enable create bucket. Perhaps not. Yes. Must not contain uppercase script. So next one, versioning, because we are going to do cross-region application, so it should be enabled. Versioning should be enabled on both the sides. Create bucket. Yes, done. And make my bucket. upload something here. So I will upload here, add file, and I have one file only for S3 versioning, and upload it. Succeed. Complete all other permissions. Okay, so public access open, disabled, edit, policy generator, copy the ARN from here that we need for the policy generation, bucket, allow everything, all action, paste. I don't think that I should repeat everything here. We already done in previous videos. Generate policy, copy it, close, paste it here. You all are familiar till it. No need to explain everything again. Done. Let's check. Are we able to access it? Object URL and yes, we are able to access this file we have created last time. What I want, whatever I copy in this bucket, netmine bucket, it should go to some another. So what I do, create bucket, check it is in the Mumbai region, create bucket, but now I will change my region. I am going to US East Ohio region. Give it a name here also, bucket Ohio. Remove the public access. Keep in mind everything. Versioning should be enabled and acknowledge. Remain everything default. Okay, create bucket. What is saying? Again error. Already exist because it's a global service. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check it. Already exist. Even random mode 666. Yeah, has been created. Now we have two buckets, Ohio region and Mumbai region. Check the properties. Versioning is enabled. Check on second bucket also. Versioning should be enabled. Versioning is enabled. Now, look here. I will keep Asia Pacific Mumbai as a source where we already upload one file here. Net bucket Ohio, it's a empty. It's empty. So let's create the replication rules in Mumbai, in my source. Check. Yes. Go to management. Check the permissions also. We have done the permissions here. Yes. Do it here also in Ohio. It is okay. Or put down to the permissions here. Yes. Edit. Copy the ARN. Policy generator. S3 policies. Everything. All actions. test here and here. I'm going a little fast because I expect you have seen all the previous videos. Copy and paste it. All objects and save changes. Done. Come to Mumbai and create replication rules here. Go to management. Lifecycle rules we have done, and create replication rule now. Give any name, my rule, no issue, you can give any name. It is in status. Actually, if I am creating some rule, it should be enabled. So source bucket name it is showing. Now look here very carefully. Limit the scope of this rule using one or more filter or apply to all the objects in a bucket. I want to put some rules here or filter here only the name starting with, suppose we have a S3 bucket. Any of the files starting with S3 should replicate. Any file starting with suppose XYZ that I am uploading in my source bucket should be replicate. Or second, whatever object I am putting in the bucket should replicate. Okay. Now choose the destination. Bucket from the same account. Bucket in the same account or bucket in some different account. If bucket is in some another different, you can replicate that also there. But right now I am choosing from the same account. So I will select this bucket from the Ohio region, sources Mumbai. Choose path. Then IAM rule. Till if we don't discover the IAM, so just create new rule. If you want to choose some specific storage class, you can choose that also. The destination should be in this class and save. It will ask you some more thing. Replicate existing objects. Means if there is already some data in the source bucket, should we replicate or no? Don't replicate the data to it there. Just replicate new data that we upload there. Yes. Replicate existing data. Submit. Simple. It's done. Now it is asking me about the completion report. That whatever application happened, it should create a report. For all tasks or for failed task. Do it for the all tasks. What is happening there? Where I want to put it? I want to put it in my source bucket. And create new rule and save. Done. Taking some time. Done. Now check Amazon S3 bucket. This bucket S3 versioning and check second bucket. Sometime depending on speed, no object deleted. It will get replicated here after some time. Just wait and watch. What I do, I will upload some another file here also in my source bucket. Upload add file. Manual file HR interview questions. I will upload it. Upload. Succeed. Close. Check something replicated or not. Delete in our bucket. Yes, you can see S3 versioning has been replicated in my second bucket also. You can see here, it is in the Ohio region bucket. We don't upload anything here. Whatever the data there in my, yes, second book also has been uploaded, you can check. Clear? Interesting? Upload something more here in my source bucket. Okay, this is the report file, but we upload these two files. So let's upload something more here in my source bucket. Add file. What do we add more? Upload this file that I have shown you during the costing classes. Upload. One.png we have uploaded in NetPoint bucket. Check here. Some time it take for the replication, but still check. One.png is here. Check it. I will open it. Yes, we can access it. And now I'm checking NetMine bucket. One.png. We are checking in my region file that we upload here. And yes, we can access it. Check. So hope now it's clear to you replication. So if by mistake the file get deleted from here, still it is available in second bucket. Still it will be available from second bucket to be look here. I can access it from here also. So this is the cross-region replication. Hope interesting for you. Keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.